actually doing okay now. Up. Say bye-bye to your little drone if he's on his way back to China. Okay, Tinygo 4K. Enough reviews done on this thing. Let's talk about some safety issues this drone has. Got this a couple of days ago, and first flight was good. Second flight, it wanted to fly away. Third flight, it was gone. I had to go ahead and just disarm it. Got to about 50 feet, slung the goggles. Definitely an issue with these. Go ahead and fire it up. Now, once I arm it, it will want to balance itself. You'll hear the RPMs rev up a little bit. But the problem I'm having is that as soon as you give it a little bit of throttle a few times, actually you're like getting comfortable flying, it's doing good, this thing just hauls ass. It just goes. So let me give you a demonstration. We're gonna go ahead and arm it. So you can hear it wanting to balance. Now that's good with the FPV, and it does say it's for beginners. And now we'll give it a little gas. Alright, just keep it level. Throttle's all the way off. This drone would be gone. This thing would be Georgia by now. So, yeah, it's just my warning, man. Like I say, first couple flights really weren't too bad. Tried to calibrate the controller, and it seemed like it took. There is a YouTube channel that'll show you how to calibrate it, and this is just not safe to fly. This is almost something you want to report to the NTSB, because how many have done this? And people don't do the review. Everybody gets a free Tinygo drone, and they're like, oh shit, I'm going to give this thing a good review. If maybe it's 1 out of 100 that does this, 1 out of 1,000, 1 out of 10,000, I don't know. But that's a big problem. Flyaways are not good. I will say I kind of like the controller, and I don't have a decent FPV controller, so I may wind up just buying this, or throwing this in the garbage, or sending it back. We'll see what happens. It's not damaged. Even when it fell, wasn't hurt. But I don't know. GEPRC might need to give me a call on this. Their customer support really isn't worth the crap either, but then what Chinese customer support is. Alright then. Hope this comes in handy. I would test out your new Tinygo just like I did. Fly it in your hand 2 or 3 times, because you'd hate to lose it. And if you're not a good FPV flyer and can think quickly to disarm it, then you may not see it again. And I'm pretty sure that's not covered under warranty. So, alright.